Good morning, traders. We have Netflix on a 60-minute hourly chart. 448 was a support level. This is the breakout to 462. The $450 call options paying well over 150% intraday. We are going into the closing bell. Netflix is the leader in the streaming services businesses. Once again, sign up for that YouTube channel, subscribe, comment section, give your comments, update the stocks that you hold. We will be glad to help you power the technical analysis so that you can capture these big gains. Once again, we have over 100 stock plays that are making all-time highs. Netflix is only one of many. Sign up, get into our live trading room. Don't hesitate, don't wait. Let us power those profits for you.